Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So, the winner of the Hertz giveaway, the full Hertz system build, was Jay from Georgia. He brought us down his Road Glide to get the build done. We ended up going with Hertz SX 165 in the fairing, Hertz SX 165 in the lowers, Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers inside the saddlebags, Hertz 4.900 amplifier in the fairing to drive the 4 mid-range speakers. Then we didn't have enough space to do a second Hertz amplifier, so we did a FLX 700 tucked in the side pocket to be able to drive the 8-inch mid-bass drivers. Did the Hertz S8 DSP, NVS Audio T-harness, NVS Audio AK3 oxygen-free copper wiring kit, NVS Audio RCAs. Bike sounded really good. Jay was really happy with the build. So we cut the bags, used our custom 8-inch spacer rings to mount the 8s in the bags. We ran 14 gauge wire with our XT60 quick disconnects to make the saddlebags removable and ran them to the 8-inch drivers and ran them up to the fairing. We did XT60 with 14 gauge wire to the lowers, and the fairing speakers, we powered them through our T-harness. Everything came out nice and clean. He was super happy with the way it sounded. Check out the build.
Te boté como voto los benjamines. Illuminati, ya no hay nadie que te ilumine. Te boté como el medio millo que exploté. Con el ruso no cojo fiao, cao como estas. Ahora no venga tú a
1500 threads in my linen sheets. Look like you're missing waking up next to me. Staying relevant's the only shit I'm focused on. Like it's today, you forever in the past to me. Got it all twisted. I checked out a long time ago. Text me, you missed it. Thought you had enough there. See, I just run. So I pulled up based on a case of charity. After you begging me, begging for company. Never needed you, you only needed me. All that talk just a sign of being weak. Had too much tequila, so say that shit. For the next one, it goes in one ear and not the next one. Said you put me out while you're lying. I left them on, had you crying. I was trying to keep your business silent. Try to keep the peace instead of being violent. Wonder what your time ran out. Bebé, yo te boté. Yo te boté. Te di banda y te solté. Yo te solté. Pa'l carajo te mandé. Yo te mandé. De mi vida te boté. Yo te boté.
Yo me iba para atrás.
I see dead people. Aye, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, big rat nigga, he a free throw. Man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? They in the street can hate me, fuck them all in they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him.
Wow, wow. Esta es verdadero ritmo. Hey.
Paso muchas noches pensándote. Yo no sé ni cómo ni cuándo fue, pero solo sé que yo recordé cómo te lo hacía y aquella vez. Si yo no puedo seguir solo, pero sé que te boté de mi vida, te boté. Te boté, te vi cuando te solté. Pa'l carajo usted se fue, usted se fue de mi vida, te boté, yo te boté, yeah, mami.
Baby, la vida es un ciclo, y lo que no sirve ya no lo recicla. Así que de mi vida muévete, que si te lo metes para recordar un TBT. Yeah, ya yo me cansé de tu mentira, ahora hay una más dura que me tira. Todo tiene su final, todo expira. Tú eres pasado y el pasado nunca vira. Arranca por carajo, mi cuerpo no te necesita. Lo que pide es un perreo sucio en la placita. No creo que lo nuestro se repita. Dale, prendo un fil y de uno ready pa' ahorita. Yeah. Oh.
With your permission, I just wanna spend a little time with you. My life in the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Sunshine.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona Beach, Florida. Jay is the winner of our free giveaway. He went with the full Hertz setup. We just got him done and tuned. How do you like it, Jay?
Don't be envious. Don't spend that money. Come on down, Daytona, Florida, baby.
How's it sound?
I love it.